Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will provide you with some information about the proper care of your LG gas infrared grill broiler. When caring for and cleaning your LG gas range with an infrared grill broiler, there are some things you should know to keep your broiler working properly for the life of the range. Your infrared broiler is self-cleaning. The ceramic plates and the broiler housing should never be cleaned. You should never touch the ceramic plates or igniter of your infrared grill broiler to prevent possible damage and to reduce the risk of burns. It is also important when putting taller food items into the oven that you take care to avoid contacting these areas with food. If the interior of your oven needs cleaning, you may clean it in one of two ways. For light soiling, consider wiping out the interior with a wet cloth, taking care not to make contact with the ceramic plates of the broiler. For a heavily soiled oven cavity, use the self-clean function of the oven according to the instructions in your owner's manual. When the self-clean cycle has ended and the oven has cooled completely, wipe out the interior of the oven with a wet cloth to remove any remaining ash from the self-clean cycle. When wiping, do not touch the ceramic plates of the broiler. Due to the intense heat of the infrared grill broiler, fats can vaporize and cause the outside of the control panel near the vents to become soiled. To prevent this type of buildup, it is best to wipe the area clean after each use of the broiler. The vents can become hot during oven operation, so it is best to wait until it is cooled completely before cleaning.